Hey, scientists, it's me, Sid. I want to know why I have to wash my hands all the time. So my friends and I are investigating how to keep our bodies healthy. Come explore with me, Sid the Science Kid, coming up next. Hey, is this thing on?
Hey, Sid, what do you say? What you want to learn today?
I want to know why things happen and how, and want to know everything now. Oh, yeah! How does this thing work? Why does that stuff change? How does that do what it just did? What's up with the sky? The thing I can fly? The world is spinning and I want to know why. I got a lot of questions and big ideas. I'm Sid, the Science Kid. And then I shall be in charge of all the ice cubes in the world, because I am Dr. Meeks, ha-ha! Hi, I'm Sid. Welcome to my room.
Hey, Sid. Breakfast is almost... Letcha! Ready.
Bless you, Dad.
Thanks, Sid.
Dad's got a cold. Ugh. Mom and Dad keep telling me if I don't want to catch Dad's cold, I gotta wash my hands. Wash your hands before you eat. Wash your hands before you sleep. Wash your hands after you go to the bathroom. Boy, pretty soon I'm gonna have to wash my hands before I wash my hands. Well, what I want to know is, why? Why do I gotta keep washing my hands?
Sid, breakfast time.
Cool, I'm really hungry. Oh boy, breakfast time! Hey Mom, hey Zeke. Hey Dad.
Letcha!
Bless you.
Bless you.
Bet you.
Thank you. Morning, Sid.
Hey Dad, so let me guess, you're washing your hands so that we don't all catch your cold.
Oh, very good. You remembered what I told you about washing your hands.
Yeah, I totally remembered. High five.
Oh, wait, no high fives.
Letcha! Oh, yeah, your mom's right. I've been sneezing all morning, so there's germs all over my hands.
Ugh. So, germs are the things that make you get a cold?
Yep, that's right.
Well, I don't see any germs on your hands.
Well, you're right, Sid. Here, let me show you something. You know, we can't see germs with just our eyes. You can't even see them with a magnifying glass.
What?
Here, take a look. Germs are so small that you need one of these to see them. It's an electron microscope.
Cool. Looks like a giant robot or something.
Yeah, it kind of does, doesn't it?
So is it like a super duper 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 magnifying glass that makes little things look much, much bigger?
Yeah, that's a pretty good way to describe it. Oh, I hope I'm not getting your dad's cold.
Ooh, I hope so too. Well, I don't want to catch a cold either. So after breakfast, I better investigate this more at school.
Ah, now that sounds like a great...
Uh-oh.
A false alarm.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
I love my mom. My mom is cool. But now it's time for having fun in school. Yeah!
Hi.
I'm looking for my friends. I'm looking for you. There's Gabriela.
Watch what I can do. Yeah! Ready, set, go!
Wow! I'm looking for my friends. I'm know everything about everything?
That's you! And look what we found! We found each other! Friends!
And now it's time for the Sid survey.
Coming through!
Hello, I am Sid, roving reporter with today's survey. The question, do you know what germs are? And you can think about what germs are too. Let's go get some answers.
Hi, Sid.
Hi, May. So do you know what germs are?
I think that they're those teeny tiny, teeny itty bitty little things that make you sick. I think.
Yeah, I think that's what they are too.
Really?
Thanks, May. Yeah.
You're welcome.
Ooh. Hey, Gabriela. I have a question. Do you know what germs are?
Oh, I know that they have something to do with sneezing or having a cold or something like that.
I agree. Thanks, Gabriela.
Sure thing. La 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 la.
Oh, Gerald, do you know what germs are? Where'd he go?
Hi, Sid!
Whoa! Hi, Gerald. Say, do you know what germs are?
Oh, well, I think germs are little things that get on stuff, and then that do things to stuff, and they make you sick, and stuff.
Wow, Gerald. You sure know a lot of stuff about germs.
Thank you!
Welcome!
Mr. Speedy on the go, go, go!
Hi, Mr. Speedy. And now, the results of my survey. May says that germs are teeny and they make you sick. Gabriela says germs make you sneeze. And Gerald says they're the things that get on stuff that make you sick. And maybe you thought about what germs are, too. And there you have it. I am Sid, roving reporter and sort of a germ expert.
Everybody, rug time!
Ooh, that's Teacher Susie. Yay!
It's rug time. Come on in. Rug time. Take a seat. Rug time.
We're ready.
Everybody move your feet. Rug time.
Teacher Susie.
Good times on the way. Rug time. Come on in. We've got a lot to learn today.
I am a germ! Yeah, touch-you! Touch-you!
So I'm guessing you've all been talking about germs.
Yeah, little germs that make you sick.
Yeah, my mom told me that germs are so little, you can't even see them with your eyes.
Ooh, you're both right. We can't see germs with our eyes, but here's a picture of a germ that's drawn really big so you can see what it looks like.
Looks fuzzy.
Yeah, you know what? This is the kind of germ that gives us a cold.
My dad has a cold, and he told me not to touch his hands so I don't get his germs.
What? You can get someone's germs from touching their hand?
You sure can. I'll show you. Let's say Gerald has a cold and he sneezes into his hands.
Oh,
Just
yeah.
pretend, Gerald.
Oh, okay. Achoo!
Now Gerald has germs on his hands. And let's say he shakes Sid's hand. Just pretend.
What?
Here, Sid.
Yeah, now Sid has germs on his hand.
Ooh.
And then Sid shakes hands with me. Now I have germs. And I shake with May. And she shakes with Gabriela. And then we all touch our eyes and our nose and our mouth, and germs get inside of us. So, guess who gets a cold now?
We all
do.
So, to make sure you don't spread germs, try to sneeze into a tissue. And if you don't have one, you can sneeze into your arm, just like this. Achoo!
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 That's it. And does anyone know the very best way to keep germs away?
Oh, I know. Wash your hands with soap and water.
You got it.
Hey, can't we just wipe our hands on our pants? That gets them pretty clean.
Yeah.
Good question, Gerald. I think it's time we investigate how washing our hands can really help keep germs away. Okay, scientists, You know where we're going?
To the Super Fab Lab!
Let's go!
Super Fab Lab! Investigate, explore, discover!
Today, we're going to find out the best way to make sure your hands stay nice and clean.
So you can keep the germs away.
That's right. Okay, first, you're going to try cleaning your hands with just these paper towels. And then you're going to try cleaning your hands over here with soap and warm water.
Yeah, but my hands aren't dirty.
Well then, maybe this will help.
Oh, dirt!
You can all dig your hands into the dirt and rub it in really well. Then try cleaning your hands with a paper towel. And you can use these magnifying glasses to help you look really carefully at the dirt on your hands and fingernails.
And if the paper towel doesn't work, then we use soap and water?
You got it. Okay, scientists, go for it. It's time to get dirty.
Yay!
Oh, boy.
Hey, you're a scientist. You can try this too. Come on.
In this investigation, we're going to find out the best way to get your hands really clean. First, cover your hands with lots and lots of dirt. When your hands are really covered in dirt, try wiping them clean with just a dry paper towel. Are your hands really clean? They look clean. Now let's take a closer look with a magnifying glass. Hey, wait, there's still dirt on your hands. Wow, magnifying glasses are great science tools. They show us up close how much dirt is still on your hands. Now, wash your hands with warm water and soap. To make sure you wash long enough, don't stop scrubbing until you've sung the entire alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now, wipe off all the soap and let's look at your hands. Wow, compared to how they looked before, your hands are really clean. Let's explore with a magnifying glass for a closer look. Hey, there's no dirt on your hands. Let's draw some observations in your journals. What did your hands look like when they were dirty? And what did your hands look like after you used soap and water? Washing your hands with soap and water is the best way to clean your hands. And it's also a great way to keep away germs. So, who wants to share some observations from our investigation?
Oh, I do. I put my hand into the dirt, and here's a picture of what it looked like when I used a paper towel to clean it. And here is a picture of my hand after I washed with soap and water. All clean.
Oh, very nice, Gabriela. Your pictures really show how the soap and water worked. Great. Okay, Sid, may we look at your journal?
Okay. Well, first they squished my hands into the dirt. I like that part. And then I looked at all the dirt on my hands. I even had dirt on the little lines on my hand. Then the soap and water got rid of all the dirt.
Ooh, I like the way you used your magnifying glass to make your observations, Sid.
Thank you.
Wow, all my scientists made some great observations. It sounds like everyone learned a lot about how to keep germs away. I think it's time to play with all your new ideas.
Yay!
Go for it.
Okay. It's time for
Good afternoon! Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Atch.
Atch who?
Bless you!
Hey, Gabriela!
Yes?
What's the worst thing about being an octopus?
Oh, I don't know. What is the worst thing about being an octopus?
It takes so long to wash your hands before dinner!
Sid,
Yes.
what do you get when you take a germ, and then another germ, and another germ, and another germ, and then another germ?
I don't know, May. What?
I'm not done. And then another germ, another germ, another germ, then another germ, another
May?
germ. Yeah.
Are you telling a joke?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then another germ, another germ, another germ, another germ, and then a million zillion germs.
I don't know. What do you get when you take all those germs?
You get a cold. Achoo.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Now that's funny. Well, all I know is I don't want to wear that baby bonnet again.
You guys, do you want to look at more pictures of more germs? Okay,
Cool,
yeah. Okay, I'll show you the picture and I'll read what kind of germ it is. Okay.
Ooh, wow. Gabriela can read.
The names are here on the back. This one has a funny name. It's called a coli. Look.
Okay.
Wow!
Whoa!
It's pink and fuzzy.
That is weird.
Whoa. Wait till you see this one. It's really yucky.
Okay.
It's called Look at it. Looks like a green octopus.
Look at it.
I am a big, fuzzy, yucky, hairy germ.
Oh, no! We gotta wash our hands.
Come back, I'm gonna get you. Oh,
Whoa.
I've got you now, Sid. I'm gonna give you a cold.
And now,
It's time.
for Susie.
To sneeze. No, just kidding. To sing. Go, Susie!
Oh, why, thank you. Thank you. You know, to really figure out how germs get around, maybe I should become a germ.
Ooh, Susie's gonna be a germ.
Here I go, gonna shrink on down. I was minding my own business, living in Robert's nose. I'm just a teeny tiny germ, here's how my story goes. I'm always ready to travel, though my trips are never planned. It was time to hit the road when Robert sneezed into his hand. So here comes his old buddy Bill, his handshake was so firm. I climbed aboard his hand and went on the journey of germ. Now Billy needed milk and eggs, so we walked into the store. He left me on the doorknob when he opened up the door. Corina touched the door and said hello to Mr. Sands. They chatted by the vegetables, she forgot to wash her hands. My name is Sheldon Sherman, most people call me Sherm. I was traveling with Corina on my journey of germ. Hand to hand, hand to hand, hand to hand, hand to hand. That's the way I travel. Corina bought a ticket and she hopped onto the train. The conductor shook her hand and said, enjoy your ride to Maine. We got off in Bangor, we were happy to arrive. The conductor met the mayor and gave him a big high five. The mayor shook hands with the senator, running for a second term. And he shook hands with the majorette on my journey of germ. The majorette was at a football game, her baton had hardly twirled. I'd given her a cold and traveled halfway around the world. She sneezed into her elbow. I thought I was gonna cry. She washed her hands. No, I thought bodily soap. No,
I'm a germ. You can't get rid of me.
Yes, I can. I just washed my hands.
Oh no! Soap and water.
I washed my hands too. No cold for me, Mr. Germ.
Oh.
Yeah, and I sneeze into my arm. So ya can't get me, germ.
Oh well, I give up.
wow, my sneezing scientists are all germ experts. I'm so proud of everyone. Okay, time to go home.
Yeah.
Follow me.
Time to go home. All right.
Go. Now, where's my seed?
Oh, right here, Grandma.
Oh. Nah. Now, okie doke, let's roll.
Let's roll.
Yeah. how was your day?
It was great, Grandma. I learned all about germs. Hey, you know what? You gotta wash your hands with soap and water so you don't get germs.
You're right. Why, I remember when I was a little girl, I learned about the scientist who discovered that washing hands helps to stop germs from spreading around. He was one smart cookie. And his name was Ignaz Semmelweis.
What? Ignaz, who?
Yes, that's his real name. And he was a real scientist. For years after I learned about him, I couldn't so much as wash my hands without thinking of good old Ignaz Semmelweis. And how he helped people be healthier. That's right. Thanks to him, we know that washing hands helps you not catch a cold. Thanks, Ignaz!
Well, he sounds like a really cool scientist.
Yes.
Guess what, Grandma? I'm gonna name my toy panda Ignaz Semmelweis.
Now that's a good idea.
Wow, my grandma knows a lot of cool stuff.
I learned something cool today. I know it upside down and inside out. I learned all about germs. Scientist in the house. Yeah. Boing. Woo.
Wow.
Hi, everyone.
Oh, hey, Sid.
Hello, Sid.
How's my favorite scientist?
I am awesome. Guess what I learned today?
Oh,
What?
I learned that there are lots of different germs, and they look really yucky. And just like you taught me, if you wash your hands with soap and water, you can keep those germs away.
Very nice, Sid. Sounds like you and your friends did some investigating today.
Yep. Oh, and another thing I learned. A new way to sneeze that won't get germs all over your hands. You sneeze into your arm, like this. Achoo! See that? Go ahead, Dad, try it.
Oh, well, you know, Sid, it's funny, but I haven't sneezed at all in a while. I think my cold is getting a little bit better.
Oh. Ooh, Mom, sneeze into your arm. All right, Mom. Boy, you know, your sneeze is a lot different than Dad's.
Sure is.
Good pretend sneeze, Zeke.
Good boy, Zeke. Oh, do it into your arm.
Hey, Mom, guess what else we got to do at school today?
What's
I
that?
played with dirt indoors.
Indoors? Well, how did that work out?
Well, Teacher Susie brought out a big plate of dirt, and we got to stick our hands right in it.
Ooh, playing with the dirt
Yeah.
inside?
Hey, Ignaz Semmelweis. How's it going, Ignaz, old buddy? Wow, what a fun day. You know, I learned that you can keep germs away by washing your hands with soap and water. And another way to keep germs away is to sneeze into your arm, like this. Achoo! Go ahead, Dr. Beaks, you try it. Just sneeze into that old flipper fin thing of yours. Or not. You know, all this sneezing into my arm has got me thinking, what if everybody had a tissue ready all the time in case they had to sneeze? Okay, I've got it. Here's my super duper ooper schmooper big idea. I'm gonna invent an amazing new invention, the Detecto Sneeze. It's a box of tissues that can hear as you go, and super fast, it pops out a tissue before you can say, choo! It can listen, and it can recognize every different kind of sneeze. Like the way I sneeze, and the way Mom sneezes, choo! And the way Dad sneezes. And even the way a grizzly bear sneezes. And that's my super duper uber schmooper big idea. Thank you. Ooh, and thank you too, Ignaz. Hey, you know what? You've been a great audience. Hey, thanks for investigating germs with me, Sid the Science Kid. And remember, keep asking lots and lots of questions. See you later, scientists. Boy, well, that sneezing totally wore me out. Oh, here comes another one.
Investigate! Explore! Discover!
Hey, I know how to investigate, explore, and discover. And I bet you do too. Investigate, that's when you want to find stuff out. Explore, that's when you look at things in the world around you. Discover, that's when you investigate and explore and you find out something new. Be sure to check out another episode full of amazing science. My friends and I will learn how to use science tools, investigate how things change, discover our senses, and explore how to keep our bodies healthy. See you next time on Sid the Science Kid.